Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into an exciting area of technology application using AI for offline marketing. As we can see from this introductory slide, the concept of integrating AI isn't confined to digital strategies alone. It extends significantly into the offline realm, transforming traditional marketing practices. Artificial intelligence in offline marketing isn't about replacing the human touch, but enhancing it. Imagine AI-powered robots like the one depicted in our slide, equipped to handle real-time data processing, customer interaction, and personalized service without the constraints of the digital world. These AI systems can operate in physical spaces, stores, kiosks, and events, so offering services that are not only automated, but deeply attuned to the customer's immediate context and needs. Today's presentation will cover various aspects: understanding AI's role in offline environments, how AI is used to enhance customer interactions in physical locations, case studies and applications, real-world examples of AI during customer engagement and sales in offline settings, strategic integration of AI with traditional marketing methods, combining the old with the new to create a seamless marketing experience that captivates and engages on all fronts. As we move through the slides, we'll explore how businesses are leveraging AI to not only meet customer expectations, but exceed them in innovative and exciting ways. Hello, friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel. If you enjoy our content, please subscribe to stay updated with our new videos. Let's take a closer look at our agenda for today's presentation. Our journey into the integration of AI in offline marketing is structured around several innovative applications, each illustrating how artificial intelligence can transform traditional marketing methods into cutting-edge strategies. Here's what we'll cover. 1. AR and VR trial rooms in fashion retail. We will explore how augmented reality AR and virtual reality VR are revolutionizing the fashion retail industry by offering virtual try-on experiences that enhance customer engagement and satisfaction. 2. Projection advertising strategy. This section will delve into how projection technology combined with AI can create dynamic and interactive advertisements that captivate audiences in physical spaces. 3. Optimizing pricing and placement through AI. Discover how AI algorithms analyze market data to optimize product pricing and placement, ensuring maximum visibility and profitability. 4. Streamlining offline advertising through AI. We'll look at how AI can streamline processes in creating and managing offline advertising campaigns, making them more efficient and targeted. 5. Automating TV ad creation and production. An overview of tools and technologies that automate the creation and production of TV ads, reducing costs and production times while enhancing creativity. 6. Video ads and brand logo detection. Discussion on AI's role in enhancing video ads through smart logo detection, helping brands maintain consistency and visibility across various platforms. 7. How brands can use logo recognition tools. Finally, we'll see how AI-powered logo recognition tools help brands monitor and analyze their presence across media, providing valuable insights into brand visibility and engagement. Each of these topics will showcase practical examples of AI at work, demonstrating the substantial benefits that AI brings to offline marketing strategies. Now, we're delving into one of the most exciting applications of AI in offline marketing: AR and VR trial rooms in fashion retail. This technology brings a new dimension to how consumers interact with fashion products, merging digital convenience with physical shopping experiences. 1. Virtual try-on solutions. Try-on mirror. Utilizing RFID technology, these smart mirrors provide customers with information like available sizes, colors, and other product details directly as they try on clothes. Such mirrors can also recommend other items based on the customer's selections, enhancing cross-selling opportunities. Try-on mobile app. By integrating AR technology into mobile apps, fashion retailers allow customers to see how clothes would look on them through their smartphone cameras. This not only personalizes the shopping experience, but also extends it beyond the store's physical location. 2. Suitability for retail categories. This technology isn't limited to clothing. It's equally effective for accessories like watches, caps, and sunglasses, enabling customers to try these items virtually to see how they complement their style and appearance. 3. Technologies used. The backbone of these virtual trial rooms includes augmented reality AR, enhances the real world with digital visual elements. Virtual reality VR creates a completely immersive shopping experience. RFID radio frequency identification allows items to communicate with the trial room technology to display relevant product information. LiDAR light detection and ranging, used to create detailed spatial images that aid in the accurate rendering of items in a 3D space. Potential impact: increase in new product sales. By providing a try before you buy experience, these technologies can significantly boost sales as customers feel more confident in their purchases. Reduction in return rates. Enhanced product visualization reduces the likelihood of returns as customers have a better understanding of what they are buying. Improvement in store brand image. The innovative use of these technologies positions a brand as a forward-thinking leader, enhancing its image and attractiveness to tech-savvy consumers. As we explore further into today's presentation, we'll see how these advanced solutions not only enhance customer satisfaction, but also streamline operations and inventory management. In this segment, we delve into the dynamic world of projection advertising and its capacity to captivate and engage audiences in physical spaces. This innovative approach combines advanced technology with creative storytelling to create impactful marketing experiences. Advanced content crafting involves the use of enhanced rendering techniques, animations, and even 3D illusions to create visually striking advertisements. These technologies allow for content that not only catches the eye, but also holds the viewer's attention, thereby driving a higher customer response rate. 2. Storytelling. Effective storytelling is at the heart of engaging projection advertising. By incorporating a thematic mood and tone, coupled with a strong message that resonates with the target audience, these advertisements can significantly influence customer behavior. The narrative crafted here is not just heard but experienced, increasing its impact and memorability. 3. Technical advancement. Utilizing the latest in projection technology and AI, these advertising strategies are able to deliver high-quality visuals across varying surfaces and conditions. The technical advancements in AI help optimize the location, timing, and scale of projections to maximize visibility and impact. 4. Interactivity. One of the most compelling aspects of modern projection advertising is its interactivity. Incorporating elements of play, such as touch interaction or augmented reality, transforms passive viewers into active participants. This level of engagement not only enhances brand awareness, but also significantly boosts customer interaction rates. Each component of this strategy works synergistically to create a virtual spectacle that attracts and retains consumer interest far more effectively than traditional media. As we move through our presentation, we'll see how these innovative methods are being implemented in real-world scenarios, redefining the possibilities of offline marketing. Moving forward in our discussion on AI's application in offline marketing, this slide focuses on optimizing pricing and product placement through artificial intelligence. AI not only enhances decision-making, but also improves efficiency and accuracy across various aspects of retail management. 1. Pricing optimization. AI-driven pricing optimization uses machine learning algorithms to analyze market trends, consumer demand, and competitive pricing to recommend the best pricing strategies. This approach helps in reducing the risk of price cannibalization while maximizing revenue potential by adjusting prices in real time based on market conditions. 2. Merchandising optimization. Leveraging machine learning and big data, AI enables retailers to optimize their merchandising strategies. It involves the placement of products in the store to attract more customers and increase sales. AI analyzes shopping patterns, product performance, and customer feedback to suggest the most effective arrangement and presentation of goods. 3. Shelf audit analytics. This feature uses AI to monitor and analyze how products are displayed on shelves using videos, images, or even robots. The technology can assess the visibility and accessibility of products, providing insights into how shelf space utilization impacts sales and customer interactions. 4. Visual search capability. Enhancing customer experience in retail, AI enables visual search capabilities where customers can search for products by simply uploading images or videos. This technology uses machine vision to recognize products and guide customers to where items are located within the store or suggest similar products available. Each of these AI applications plays a critical role in transforming how businesses approach pricing and merchandising in the offline realm. By integrating AI into these areas, businesses can not only achieve greater operational efficiencies, but also deliver a more personalized shopping experience that meets the evolving expectations of today's consumers. Continuing from where we left off, let's further explore how AI enhances traditional advertising channels through targeted and contextually relevant strategies. 3. Marketing personalization. AI enables hyper personalization in offline advertising by identifying and targeting the right customers at the optimal time and place. By analyzing consumer behavior and preferences, AI tailors messages that resonate on a personal level, significantly increasing the effectiveness of ad campaigns. 4. Context aware advertising. Utilizing machine vision and natural language processing, NLP, AI can analyze the environment where ads are placed to ensure they are contextually relevant to the audience present at that time. This not only increases engagement, but also enhances the consumer's perception of the brand as thoughtful and attentive. Through these four dimensions, neuromarketing, analytics, marketing personalization, and context aware advertising, AI is not merely an assistant in the advertising process. It transforms the very fabric of how campaigns are created, delivered, and refined. By employing these strategies, businesses can ensure that their offline advertising efforts are as dynamic and data-driven as their online campaigns, providing a seamless consumer experience across all touchpoints. This slide explores the groundbreaking impact of AI across various facets of TV ad creation and production. By automating and enhancing these processes, AI technologies are reshaping the landscape of media production, making it more efficient and innovative. 1. Connected TV targeting. Tools like Brandzuka, Mativ, and OneCreen.ai enable precise targeting on connected TV platforms, utilizing data analytics to reach viewers with high precision based on their viewing habits and preferences. 2. AI storytelling. AI platforms such as DeepMind, Jasper, and WriteSonic are revolutionizing the way narratives are crafted. These tools use advanced algorithms to generate creative content, ensuring that the storytelling aspect of ads is both engaging and effectively tailored to the audience. 3. AI voice dubbing. Dubbing and voice.overproduction are made more accessible and versatile through AI tools like dubdub.ai and Voiceed. These technologies offer multilingual support and can adapt the intonation and emotion of the voice to match the video content seamlessly. 4. Automatic content recognition. Systems like Disruptel and VideoAmp analyze content in real time to identify and categorize visual and audio elements. This capability allows for better content management and targeted advertising insertion, ensuring that ads are placed in the most relevant context. 5. AI music production. AI is also transforming music production for ads with tools like Boomi and SoundRaw, which automate the creation of custom music tracks that perfectly fit the emotional tone and setting of the advertisements. 6. Virtual film production. Finally, virtual film production technologies from companies like Autodesk and Glassbox use AI to create realistic virtual environments and animations. This reduces the need for physical sets and enables more flexible and creative storytelling possibilities. Through these innovative AI tools, the process of TV ad creation and production becomes more adaptive, efficient, and capable of meeting the demands of modern audiences and media environments. As we continue to explore the applications of AI in television advertising, this slide highlights two critical technologies: video ads and brand logo detection. These technologies leverage advanced AI capabilities to enhance the effectiveness and intelligence of broadcast advertising. 1. Brand logo detection. This technology utilizes AI to analyze video footage in real time, identifying and interpreting brand logos within the content. This allows advertisers to understand where and how their brands are being displayed across different media channels. It also ensures that placements are contextually appropriate, enhancing brand safety and relevance. The ability to replace or modify logos and other imagery dynamically helps ensure that content remains fresh and aligned with current marketing campaigns. Number two, broadcast analysis. AI systems in broadcast analysis integrate a variety of technologies to optimize media content. These include math modeling for predictive analytics and trend analysis, computer vision and digital image processing for detecting and analyzing visual content, deep learning for enhancing the accuracy of content recognition and interpretation, machine perception and cognitive science for understanding viewer responses and interactions with content, probabilistic AI for making informed decisions based on the likelihood of certain viewer behaviors. Together, these technologies provide a comprehensive toolkit for advertisers to manage and optimize their television ad placements. They not only enhance the placement and relevance of ads, but also help in measuring and improving the impact of each ad based on viewer engagement and brand interaction. By leveraging these AI-driven tools, companies can significantly improve the precision of their advertising strategies, ensuring that they reach their intended audience with messages that resonate and engage. Building on the capabilities of AI in advertising, this slide focuses on specific applications of logo recognition tools. These tools provide crucial insights into brand visibility and help maintain brand integrity across digital platforms. Social media monitoring. Logo recognition tools are invaluable for social media monitoring, enabling brands to engage in visual listening. These tools analyze images and videos across social platforms to identify brand mentions and logo appearances. This allows brands to understand how and where their logos are being used or discussed, providing actionable insights into audience engagement and content reach. 2. Measure ROI. Calculating the return on investment ROI for marketing campaigns, especially those involving sponsorships, is enhanced by logo recognition technology. By tracking the frequency and context in which logos appear outside of controlled advertising environments, such as in user-generated content or during televised sports events, brands can measure the actual visibility and impact of their sponsorships. 3. Counterfeit detection. Protecting brand identity is crucial, and logo recognition can play a defensive role by identifying counterfeit products or unauthorized uses of a brand's logo. This technology scans the internet for images and videos that misuse brand logos, helping legal and marketing teams to act swiftly to protect intellectual property rights and maintain brand integrity. These applications of logo recognition demonstrate the breadth of AI's capabilities in enhancing and protecting brand value. By leveraging these tools, companies can not only monitor and evaluate the effectiveness of their branding efforts, but also safeguard their brand against misuse and counterfeiting. As we conclude our presentation on using AI for offline marketing, I'd like to extend a heartfelt thank you to everyone for your attention and engagement. Today, we've explored a variety of groundbreaking technologies that demonstrate how artificial intelligence can significantly enhance offline marketing strategies, from augmented reality in retail environments to advanced analytics and logo recognition in advertising. These tools are not just transforming how we approach offline marketing, they are setting new standards for efficiency, customization, and interaction within the physical world. The implications for businesses are profound, offering novel ways to engage customers, measure marketing impact, and protect brand integrity. As we move forward, the integration of these AI technologies will continue to evolve and influence the marketing landscape. It's an exciting time to be part of this digital transformation, and I encourage all of you to consider how these innovations can be implemented within your own strategies to stay ahead in a competitive market. Thank you once again for your time and interest. Should you have any questions or wish to discuss these topics further, please feel free to reach out or stay behind for further discussion.